Now we start exercise 14.3. Question number 1. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers. Total number of consumers 68 of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. We have to find mean, median and mode. तीनों तीन हमको फाइंड करने का है. So now we start the solution. We write the table for mean. सबसे पहले mean फाइंड करेंगे, बाद में मीडियन फाइंड करेंगे, बाद में मोड फाइंड करेंगे. तो क्लास 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. Number of consumer means frequency Fi. 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. Total N equal to S sigma Fi equal to 68. Now class mark or a mid value Xi. 85 plus 65 equal to 150. We 150 upon 2, 75. Now we add 20 because height, class length, class size equal to 20. 75 plus 20, 95. 95 plus 20, 115 plus 20, 135 plus 20, 155 plus 20, 175 plus 20, 195. Now we suppose the assume in. जनरली मिडल वाली वैल्यू एज्यूम इन लेंगे तो 0, -1, -2, -3, इंक्रीजिंग में 1, 2, 3. नाउ FIUI मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ F and U. 4 into -3, -12, 5 into -2, -10, 13 into -1, -13, 20 into 0, 0, 14 into 1, 14, 8 into 2, 16, 4 into 3, 12. Now add the positive number and the negative number. 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 35, 6 plus 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 42, 42 minus 35 equal to 7. This is sigma FIUI. Now we start the calculation of mean. The formula of mean equal to x bar equal to A plus sigma FIUI upon N or sigma Fi into H. Here A equal to 135 plus 7 upon 68 into height is 20 equal to 135 4 5 जा 4 17 जा 7 into 5, 35 upon 17. Therefore x bar equal to 135 plus. We divide 35 divided by 17. 17 2 जा 34. 5 minus 4 1, 0, point, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 जा 85 15, 8 जा तो 2.058, 2.058 2.058. Therefore x bar equal to 137.058 unit. Now we start median. So for median we have to cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means collection of frequency. Here first frequency is 4, so here we write 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 16, 13, 22. Plus 20, 42. Plus 14, 56. Plus 8, 64. Plus 4, 72. Here total frequency 68. Total frequency n equal to 68. Now m equal to n upon tooth observations. Therefore m equal to 68 upon 2 equal to 34th ऑब्जर्वेशन. देखो 4 के अंदर से 34 माइनस होता नहीं है, 9 के अंदर से 34 माइनस होता नहीं है, 22 में से 34 माइनस होता नहीं है, 42 में से 34 माइनस होता है. So we can write here this. So we draw the block for the median. This is frequency, therefore median class. Median class equal to 125 to 145. Therefore L equal to 125. Small f equal to 20. CF equal to 42 के ऊपर वाली वैल्यू, दिस इज CF. CF equal to 22. Now we start median. I again write m equal to n upon 2 the observations, n equal to 68, 68 upon 2, 34 the observation. Now we see in the cumulative property, cumulative frequency, the 4 minus 34 not possible, 9 minus 34 not possible, 22 minus 34 not possible, 42 minus 34 is possible. Therefore 34 lies in 42. Therefore median class equal to 125 to 145. Now sigma fi equal to 68, n equal to f1, the frequency of median class 20, cf equal to the cumulative frequency of above the median class, class size, class length 20, L equal to lower limit point, lower boundary point equal to 125. Now we write the formula L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon small f into height h equal to 125 plus 68 upon 2 34 minus 22 upon 20 into height class length 20 cancel, 34 minus 22 12, 125 plus 12, therefore m equal to 137. Therefore median of a data equal to 137. Here n equal to 68 upon 2 तो 34, तो मैंने डायरेक्टली 34 लिख दिया है. नाउ वी फाइंड द मोड। तो मोड के लिए मैंने बताया था कि वी हैव टू नोट एट मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी। तो विच इज़ द मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी इन टेबल? तो 20। द क्लास ऑफ 20 125 to 145. Therefore model class equal to 125 to 145. Therefore lower limit 125, above the frequency 13, frequency of maximum frequency 20 f1, below the maximum frequency f2 14. Now z equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into class length h. Now we write L equal to, only we have to place value 125 plus f1 equal to 20, f0 equal to 13 upon 2 into 20 minus 13 minus f2 equal to 14 into class length 20 equal to 125 plus 7 into 20 upon 22 ja 40 minus 13 minus 14 equal to 125 plus 7 multiply 20 upon 40 minus 13 27, 27 minus 14 so 13 125 plus 20 into 7 140 upon 13. Now we divide 140 divided by 13. 13 1 ja 13, 4 minus 3 1, carried 0, division not possible 0, 0.0, 13 7 ja 78, 87, 13 7 ja 91, 9 0 0, तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6 and 9 आएगा। Therefore 125 plus 10.76 equal to 135.76 z equal to, now we find mean equal to 137.06, median equal to 137, mode equal to 135.76. From this answer solution, they are approximately nearest value same, approximately they are same. So what we have get decision generally mean, median, mode ये लगभग अराउंड कोई फिक्स वैल्यू इसके अराउंड आ सकता है, मीन्स नियरेस्ट वैल्यू है, दे आर एवरेज है, वन काइंड ऑफ एवरेज है, बट बेस्ट एवरेज बेस्ट measure central tendency measure of central tendency known as the median, because we count the total number in median middle value, in mode maximum number, therefore we mean is the base.